Hello everyone, in today's slide we will be discussing about the financial rewards which organizations are sharing. Here in this slide we will be discussing about motivation related to financial rewards and which types of financial rewards organizations are generally distributing. Financial rewards. It comprises of all the rewards that have a monetary values and it can add up to the total remuneration. Say for example, commission, salary, bonus, profit sharing and performance related to pay as well. This is the theoretical background which is talking about the linkage of motivation and reward. Motivation about extrinsic reward that gives you an immediate effect. Like if you can experience the hike in your salary, you will be happy, you will be satisfied. Intrinsic rewards are something which may have a long lasting impact because it gives you a sense of satisfaction. Sometimes you are getting financial rewards as a part of extrinsic reward. There are various theories which are talking about rewards or a financial compensation which is linked with motivation. Maslow theory is talking about if your level of different level of needs may be satisfied, you feel motivated and that will leads to your performance and overall outcome. Hertzberg two-factor theory is categorized under hygienic factors and motivational factors. Hygienic factors are the most important factor related for job, and motivational factors are factors that gives you a sense of satisfaction. So job or so the reward should be organized or reward should be planned in such a way which is basically a combination of motivational factors and hygienic factors. If both the motivational and hygienic factors are in combination, it leads to overall satisfaction of employees. Here, we should not avoid or ignore cognitive evaluation theory. Cognitive evaluation theory is talking about the overall sense of satisfaction or psychological satisfaction you may get when you are contributing towards organization by not getting any incentive, but you are contributing because it gives you a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Sometimes job itself can provide you a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment, and you feel that you are rewarded because the kind of input you are giving, that is changing or that creates a change in life of individual. That sense of satisfaction can be evaluated through cognitive evaluation theory. Now we are talking about different schemes which organization are giving as a part of incentives or as a part of financial incentives. First is bonus, wherein organization are contributing or employees are getting contribution from the organization as a part of overall profitability of organization. Extra allowances can be given as a part of DA allowances or dearness allowances. Say for example, in this kind of allowances, you are keeping in mind the inflation increases, and that's how you are providing the buffer amount to the employees as a part of dearness allowances, which is probably increasing every year, and it is a part of pay commission plans. Travel compensation, when you are sending your employee, so you are giving them extra compensation as a part of travel compensation. Sometimes you are giving them transportation allowance as a part of financial incentives, or sometimes company can provide their own vehicle so that it may helpful for individual to have a commuting. Commission can be extra percentage can be shared in the amount of sales, or extra percentage can be shared as a part of their sales through commissions. Employee stock options, sometimes company provides stock or incentives that allow employees to purchase the share of company at their own set prices. Profit sharing means company are sharing their profit or the margin of profit among the employees, as it will be over and above their regular wages. Co-partnership may, in the part of co-partnership, profit sharing of employee will be there, but they are receiving in the form of percentages, not as the form of lump sum amount. Wage incentive means you are getting extra incentive as per the kind of work or the piece work you have done, like how much hours you have spent it. If you are spending extra hour, you will be getting wage incentive, or it can be on the basis of piece rate plan. If you are producing extra pieces, or extra if you are doing extra production, you will be getting extra incentives. Salary raise, lump sum salary can be raised as a part of salary raise. That is again the financial incentive which organization are giving. It can be in the form of increments as well. Retirement or fringe benefits. Fringe benefits are those benefits which are tax exempted. Employees do not need to pay any tax on fringe benefits. Retirement benefits are the benefits which organization are giving to their employees as and when of prescribed age. If a person is of a prescribed age and their service no longer being needed by organization, they are giving retirement benefit to employees which will be long lasting till employee is live. Referral program, if you are referring anybody for organization, if you are referring anybody for recruitment position, for any position in organization, and if employee is being selected, so you will get the lump sum amount or the kind of percentage as a part of employee referral program, as you have referred somebody which is being selected by organization. Money is a motivator. Yes, money is always a motivator because it gives you a sense of satisfaction and it gives you more engagement with organization. Money is motivator because when people strive to achieve money, it can be an instrument to empathize that organization is valuing their input, and that's how they are contributing it as a part of as how they are paying you as a part of value they want to pay as your contribution towards organization. People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. So not only financial incentives are important, but the kind of treatment you are giving to your employees are equally important. With that note, I want to thank you, and we will seeing you in another video.